Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Friday night. I'm trying to get a video done for tomorrow morning because I think that's the new thing. I'm going to have videos coming out around 11 o'clock on Saturdays instead of afternoon on Fridays. So, we've got some stuff going in the garage. Let me show you what we're doing. Well, we're working on painting the wheels for the wrecker. These aren't going to be the prettiest paint job ever. This is actually crayon because the Rust-Oleum did not work out in the front wheels. And basically, I picked from both sides the nicest one that had a clean barrel and one that had a clean outside because these are the duals and I'm never going to rotate them, so I'm just painting the part you see. So this is the barrel of the passenger side outer dual and it looks a lot better than it did. And this will be the inner dual on that side, so I just scuffed it with 180 Scotch pad and we're going to paint them white. I mean, it does not matter. When the truck gets done the right way, I'll powder coat the wheels. But for now, I just want them white. Now with the wheels settled, we're back working on the rag top. We've got the apron in. I've got fender beading, a fender. Everything's fitting pretty much how I want it. Nice clean sweep. Up. Good there. So we're going to put a couple screws in to hold everything where it is. We can fill the screw holes in later. And that should be pretty close to wrapping that up. I keep saying that, but we keep finding problems, but we're getting there. Well guys, this is probably going to be a really short video unless I find some filler, but I wanted to go over this with you. So, both fenders are on. I had to drill some self-tapping screws. No big deal. So you can see I've got a fender bead on this side, fender bead on this side. This fender fits better. That fender's been in an accident previously, so I think it's just kind of tweaked all around. Better than fixing rust, fixing a tweaked fender. This side, it's a little loose right here, so I think take the apron off, hammer it, refit everything again, just see where it all lies. It should be fine with a little couple taps, and then obviously everything has to be body worked, so we'll make it happen. But the fenders both fit. We have a nice clean line going across from fender to apron. This deck lid, I gave it a bear hug. I know someone commented on that. They said, "Oh, bear hug." Yeah, that's a real thing because these get bowed. You squeeze the ends, it pops the middle. I did that. This is flush. This is a little high on this side. We're just missing. And there is a little accident damage up there. So I think a couple more squeezes, put it on a stand and hit it with a hammer. We'll make it happen, don't worry. And because this apron is held in by the lower fender bolts and some screws, we can use it, and you know everything is going to plan, everything matches body-wise when it latches. Yeah, it works. So it's all in alignment. It's great because that doesn't work on a lot of cars. Once you get in an accident in a Beetle, you got a lot of stuff that goes out of whack. So that's good. And then we can always adjust things with the deck lid, with the main hinges too. And we'll pull these up, just general shifts. And this body line lines up. And that one's really close. So great. They really don't line up from the factory very well at all. And two, if need be, to fix this, I can tap this in. A lot of games I can play here, but this is really good news for me. Everything's fitting together. Everything is going well. That means we'll be able to move forward with this. Now, next week's video, I hope Well, no, it won't be next week. It'll be the week after. I'm hoping to have something very special for you that I don't think has ever been shown on YouTube. Maybe on a couple Facebook groups people have done it, but you'll see then. But that's a wrap for tonight. Short video, but we got a lot done. So look at that gap. Good. All the way around, tight at the bottom where it's latched. I think this side's a little tighter. Yeah, this side's tighter. But give the deck with a twist and we'll be golden. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is going very well for me right now. Everything's fitting, everything's working very well. So that's good. Like I said, next week, the week after rather, I hope to have a very special video. It's going to be a repair video, it's going to be a tutorial kind of, but it's going to be a different way of doing it that has not been seen in a long time. So, until then guys, well, until next week's video, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.